How to fix Roblox login blocked due to security check. So if you're login on Roblox and you're facing the issue called login has been blocked for security, there could be various reasons for this. Maybe your Roblox account is logged in on various devices, or maybe a limitation has been imposed to your Roblox account. Maybe you're trying to logging in on a new device using different networks or from a new location. This could be the cause. In order to fix this, the first thing you want to check is that you're using a stable Wi-Fi and that you're not using any type of VPN or proxy settings that could be interfering with your Wi-Fi network. You can also try to refresh roblox.com and see if that helps you. If the normal way to log in is not working, you can try to email a one-time code to your email, or you can also reset your username and password to see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If none of these are helping you solve the problem, you have to contact the Roblox customer support. So go to your browser and type in Roblox customer support for login. So when you've done that, you will see various type of options. So of course, we will just go to the first link that says logging in, and we want to simply click on the contact us button that is available from the bottom. Enter your birth date, month, year to continue, and after that you will be able to contact the customer support as to why you're not being able to log in. But before that, you want to make sure all the credentials are on your Roblox account are correct. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.